Welcome to Skill Builder. I'm Robin Clevitt and I'm at the Capel build, and it's the time for the kitchens, the bedrooms, the utility room. So in other words, plenty of joinery. Now I'm going to produce all of this myself, but I need a little help from some of my friends because I have so much of it to do. And you can see there what it looks like. This one, this one, this one, they're all a walnut. That's a walnut, believe it or not. So they're walnuts. You can see the different variations in colour. So this one here, this is called deep skin rough. So, and now that's going to magically change that furniture. Ah, see, so it's changed all of these inserts into, isn't that amazing? You can mix and match. What am I going to do? I'm going to have all of my panels for my carcasses produced in the factory. And it's not just any old factory. This is like a joinery on something. It is state of the art, and I'm going to take you there and show you what it's all about. So what we got going through today, Tom?
Well, today, Robin, I want to show you the process of cutting, edging and drilling your wardrobes.
Okay.
So I'm really excited about that. We've got...
I can't even remember what material it was.
Let me show you. We've got your khaki.
Yeah.
Banana peanuts for your carcass.
Yeah.
And we chose the melange cream from the Albert range.
So what sort of edging have we got on there, Tom?
On your doors, you've chosen the matching.
Yeah.
So it's just going to look like a one sort of section door. Perfect. But this panel does come with the option of the side by side, which is that two-tone edging. It almost looks like another piece has been laminated to the surface just of the front material. So
yeah, almost, because it's such high gloss, it almost looks like perspex or glass bonded over the front. It's clever, isn't it?
It's a 3D edge, so the print's on the back of that edging as well, which gives it that depth.
Cutwrights business is all about cutting, edging and drilling panels. All sizes, all shapes and all finishes. They don't actually make furniture, it's a service for carpenters and builders who want bespoke solutions to fitted furniture. This computer controlled saw is cutting through 3 panels at once, absolutely precisely. Try doing that with your track saw. The cut panels are all coded and labelled so you know exactly where each piece goes on your drawing. Now that's something you don't see on most flat pack furniture. You'll notice straight away the complete lack of dust, and even the offcuts are recycled within the factory. So instead of having skips taking rubbish to landfill or wherever, it's all dealt with on site. This is an edging machine. The cut panels go in one end and come out the other, with the edges stuck and finished, and of course the edges are matched or contrasted to the panels. Whatever your requirements, Cutwright can do it. This is where the shaker doors for Robin's kitchen cabinets are being made. Now, if you're a fan of Bessie clamps, feast your eyes on this lot.
Tom, thanks for showing me around Cutwrights. It is truly inspirational, mate. Now, any of the viewers out there are going to say to me, and they've said to me before, well, how do we use this company? So tell them directly what to do.
They can go to cutwrights.com first of all. Also come to the showroom here and have a look at the displays we've got. We'd be more than happy to show you everything that we do.
So we're off to site now, going to do some work. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Cheers, Robin.